Hey guys, welcome to Naphy Nailed It. My name is Naphtali and I am 9 years old. This is my first ever video, so I hope you enjoy. We are going to be doing a birdhouse and a smoothie challenge, so stay tuned. I don't have everything I need, so let's go get some supplies. So I found the sticks that we're going to use to make the birdhouse. Okay, so we got everything we need, so let's do this. So we're going to need like 14 sticks. So we got 12 at the bottom and we'll need 2 at the top. So now we're going to like apply some glue. So now we're going to need like 18 sticks for each of them, and we're going to like put 2 sticks on this side and then put it across and then do it until the 18 sticks is until the 18 sticks are done, and then do it 2 more times. So instead of using 18 sticks for all of the 3 ones, we just need 18 sticks for one of them. Put it at the edge. So now the next step is that I'm kind of going to like make a roof. So now I'm going to do the roof, but this glue isn't working so well. So I'll be using another glue and my daddy will be helping me. And we'll be applying some glue right here, so that we can have like a little more space. Now I've done this part, and now I'm going to apply some more glue onto the next part. So we've applied the glue right here and some part on the yellow. So while this is drying, we're going to be putting 4 sticks on these sides, well 2 on each side, and and then we're going to put some glue on top of them and put the roof on top of it. So now we need to put some glue on the top and then you put the roof on. I'm at the last part of the project and all I have to do is put the roof on. And we're finished. So while this is drying, we will be moving on to the next part of the video, which is the smoothie challenge. Alright guys, now I'm going to do a smoothie challenge.
Alright, so I will tell you the rules. I'll give you 14 questions, and these are general questions that I think you should know. And if for each wrong answer that you give, you'll have to pick a paper out of what's that called? That container. And whatever the ingredient is, it goes into this.
So what if I guess all right?
We'll get to that.
You drink water.
We'll cross that bridge when we get there, right? So, however many you get wrong and the ingredients that you pick, you build your smoothie. So at the end of it, whatever is in here, you're gonna blend it up and you have to drink it.
No.
All right. So, are you ready?
Uh-huh.
All right. So your first question is, what planet is closest to Earth?
I think Mars.
All right, let's see. The answer to that is Mercury. So Mercury is the closest planet to Earth. What do you have there?
Egg? No.
Hold it. You have to hold the thing. All right.
Wait, the shell. So egg is
All right. Second question. What does a thermometer measure?
A thermometer measures your temperature.
Very good. Ding, 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 ding. Third question. What do you call a group of natives?
A tribe?
Ding, 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 ding. What is the national instrument of Trinidad and Tobago?
The steel pan?
Good job. Spell the word Renaissance.
What? Renaissance? I don't know.
Pause. All right, that's incorrect. Pick something from the container.
Please be something good. No, I don't want to say it. Onion. Onion.
What is it?
Onion.
Your smoothie is off to a perfect start. Show the onion. You can take off a piece. Peg out a piece. All right. Next. In the nursery rhyme, who kissed the girls and made them cry?
I don't know that.
In the nursery rhyme, who kissed the girls and made them cry?
Who kissed the
3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Georgie Porgy. Pick something from the container.
Ocean. Give me something good, please. Oh, avocado. It's bad thing to put in this one.
It's delicious.
No, it's not.
You're just having a bad. Here you go.
Alright.
All right. Describe the life cycle of a fly.
Huh?
The life cycle of a fly.
Okay. First is the eggs. And then you have the larvae. Then you have the pupa. And then it bursts out and it becomes an adult fly.
How many continents are there? And name them from biggest to small.
Biggest to small, smallest to biggest.
Biggest to small.
Okay, there are 7 continents and there are 7 continents and Australia.
From biggest to small.
Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia.
All right, very good. What's the largest ocean on Earth?
Caribbean Sea.
Ocean on Earth.
Atlantic Ocean.
Incorrect. It's the Pacific Ocean. Pick something from.
Please be at least banana. Nice. It's still going to taste bad though.
Give thanks for the
There's no
banana.
comeback from egg and onion.
Give thanks for the banana.
There you go. Peel it.
What does it?
Dun 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 dun.
I think this is it.
All right. Give me the peel. All right. What is the fastest land animal?
Oh, cheetah.
Correct. Name a mammal that can't jump.
A mammal that can jump.
That cannot jump.
An elephant.
Very good.
How many questions, Eve?
You have about 4 questions left. A baby monkey is called...
A baby monkey is called...
5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. An infant. Take a paper from the bowl or the container.
Give me a strawberry. I'm so good. What? Soda?
You're the most bad lucky person in this
I
room.
thought you liked soda.
Yeah, but not in my smoothie. Oh. Just this. I don't even know how much it is because it fizzled. Next.
What are the colors on the national flag of Jamaica?
Green, yellow, gold, and why I forget now? And black.
Say it louder and prouder.
Gold, green, and black.
Okay.
Lucky.
And you're very lucky. And 6, this is the last question. 6 times 9, or 6 multiplied by 9. 6 multiplied by 9.
6 multiplied 9 is
5 seconds.
You don't know your 9 times table.
You don't know your 6 times table. 1, 2.
Yeah, give him a chance. Give him a chance.
54.
Yeah, lucky.
Correct. All right. So I think that's it.
Time to blend up. Time to blend it up.
So you got 9 out of 14. All right, so time to blend up the smoothie. All right, so we're gonna blend it up. And you like?
Just looking at it make me want to go.
All right, ready?
What the buttons?
Wait, there is no button. Open it up.
Open it for me.
Come after 3, take a nice big gulp.
No.
1, 2, 3.
Up there.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We're going to be doing lots of more fun videos, so I hope you hit the like button and subscribe. Remember to always challenge yourself and never cheat yourself. Bye!